According to the predetermined program under the Tree Ganga campaign being run the Shanti Kunj Haridwar, the youth cell and the operation of Gayatri Parivar Creative Trust by all. According to the predetermined program under the Tree Ganga campaign being run by Shanti Kunj Haridwar, the youth cell and the operation of Gayatri Parivar Rachnatmak Trust by all word Gayatri Parivar Balia in Balia district of Madhav Brahm Baba located in Chidbada Gaon Tikri Gayatri Mahayagya and saplings were planted at the place on the anniversary of Madhav Vatika. A delegation of Haryana Gramin Chowkidar Union today met MP Deepen Hooda and apprised him of their problems. Chand Singh, the head of the Gramin Chowkidar Union, said that they are not being heard in the present government, due to which the condition of the watchmen has become pathetic. The Taliban takeover of Afghanistan break into being a new Islamic Emirates at India's doorstep that is likely to be a lightning rod for Islamists everywhere, with implications for India as regards terrorism and radicalization. The Nopada police arrested a ward boy of a private hospital for allegedly damaging the finger of a 14-year-old boy in a bid to remove a metal ring that had got stuck around it. The Supreme Court on Tuesday compelled a reluctant center to file a response affidavit to PIL seeking inquiry into alleged misuse of military-grade spyware Pegasus to snoop on phones of journalists, politicians and activists, despite the government's vehement reiteration of its readiness to divulge everything to a technical expert committee for scrutiny. The operation was tricky, but the Skylords, the nickname of the C-17 Globemaster 3rd Squadron in IAF, once again proved their match by evacuating almost 200 Indians and 2 aircraft from war-torn Kabul over the last couple of days. President Joe Biden's approval rating dropped by 7 percentage points and hit its lower levels so far as the US-backed Afghan government collapsed over the weekend in an upheaval that sent thousands of civilians and Afghan military advisors feeling for their safety, according to a Reuters Ipsos poll. The US Air Force said on Tuesday that it was investigating the circumstances surrounding human remains that were found in the wheel well of one of its C-17s that flew out of Kabul amid the chaos of Taliban taking over the Afghan capital. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday said that the Cabinet Committee on Security that India must not only protect its citizens but also provide refuge to Sikh and Hindu minorities and help all Afghans who are looking to help for help. Sonam Kapoor Ahuja's sister Rhea Kapoor got married to her boyfriend Karan Buloni on Saturday at Anil Kapoor's residence in Juhu. The duo opted for an intimate wedding with only close friends and family members attending the ceremony. Days after her marriage, a lot of pictures and videos are being shared on social media and they are things dreamy.